One of the best ways to keep your produce fresh longer is to line your refrigerator drawers with paper towels. The paper towels absorb excess moisture that can cause fruits and vegetables to rot prematurely. Simply replace the paper towels once a week or when they become noticeably damp. This simple hack can extend the life of your produce by up to 2 weeks, saving you money on groceries. This method works especially well for berries, leafy greens, and herbs, which are particularly sensitive to moisture. Remember to wash your produce just before using it rather than before storage to prevent introducing extra moisture.